Okay, here's the John Deere starting up. And there comes the stepper. There's the lift tractor. It looks like it's about 20 feet above the ground now. You have quite a crew here today. It's a beautiful day also. Having the tractor makes it real easy. The antenna is quite well balanced, as you can see. It's only teetering slightly. It's probably about 60 feet up the ground now. Just see if those elements clear the. Looks like they'll clear now if you rotate it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go away from the phone for a few moments. Stop there. Rotate the antenna clockwise a little bit.
Your position clockwise or mine?
Rotate the antenna so it's pointing more to the north, this way. That's good. Now you're gonna have to clear this antenna, and you might have to tighten up on the tram line a little bit too.
Yeah, what do you think? You want to do that now?
I'd say I need about 2 feet more away from the tower. Pull in the tram line about 2 feet.